Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have newness from Fantasy Cosmetica. They sent me a couple things that are in their latest collection, Ranger. The Ranger collection is going to drop on April the 30th at 11 a.m. CST. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off. So there's going to be quite a different things. There's going to be this palette, there's going to be perfume, there's also going to be nail polishes, and I believe that's it. And they're also going to have bundle options. The palette by itself is going to retail for $38.99, and the nail polish I'm going to show you retails for $10.99. Let's open up Ranger and let's see what we're going to be playing with today. As per usual, this is a 9-pan. Oops, one of they're doing, have you noticed this on your palettes? This is like a little styrofoam circle, and these are coming on there to protect the shimmers. Great idea. But this is going to be traditional 9-pan palette, and I say that because Fantasy Cosmetica, that's usually what they release when it comes to palettes, are 9-pan palettes, and you're getting a nice mixture of matte and shimmer shadows, some multi-chromes in here. I think this looks like a really cool color story, and I cannot wait to create 2 looks for you guys. Also, they asked me, what do you want to get in the collection? Because this was kindly sent to me in PR. And I said, you know what? I'd like to try one of the nail polishes. This nail polish is called Thorn, and Thorn will retail for $10.99. It's just like a green, and I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that, but it's a green polish. This is a regular polish, meaning it's not the gel polish to where you need the light to cure it. It's just your regular old nail polish, and I typically use regular nail polish on my toes, except however today or last week I went and I got shellac on both my hands and my feet. But normally I like to get regular polishes because they do work well for me on my toes. So I'm very excited about this. There are going to be some bundle options available, and I don't know if affiliate codes will work on those bundle options, but if you just want to buy 1 or 2 things on their own, of course my affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off of your order. Let's start with this new palette, what is it called? The Ranger palette, the Ranger collection from Fantasy Cosmetica. If you guys want to see the 2 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyelids with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer, and we're ready to dive into this palette. I think I'm going to be working with these 2 shades, perhaps this one today as far as matte goes. So I'm going to start here with Track. And I'm taking Track on a Rephr 15. I'm just going to be putting that in the crease and kind of bring it up a bit towards the brow bone. Now I'm taking Tame on a Rephr 14. We're going to put that directly into the crease, slightly lower where we put the first shade. Fantasy Cosmetica has a really nice formula, a very easy to work with formula, and I just love the size of their palettes. I think they do a really nice job, a really well thought out job with the color stories and the theme. And they're one of the only few that actually does perfumes in their collection, and I think that's really cool. Now I think I'm going to go back in with Track, and that's what I'm going to put on the lower lash line. And I'm using my Rephr 26 to apply. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of my Gourmand Girls primer to my eyelids, and then we'll start playing with some of the shimmers. All right, now we need to make some decisions. Automatically, I want to go with the green, but I kind of think I want to keep it a little monochromatic, and I'm going to go with this one down here, Snare. Maybe I could pop it with the green in the inner corner. Let's see, but let's try this. I'm using my Morphe M124 to apply. Yeah, that's pretty. Going back in with that matte shade called Tame, just to touch up the crease in the outer corner. All right, now I'm gonna do the shade right here for the inner corner. This one is called, oh, it looks like it's kind of rubbing off. Mustang? No, I don't know what that one says. It looks like it's kind of rubbed off a little bit, but that's what we're doing. And I'm using my Rephr 03 to apply. I just sprayed this with a little setting spray since I'd already used up my glitter primer, my shimmer primer. That looks so pretty. This would have also been a nice alternative instead of the reddish shimmer to put on the lid. It would have been a nice contrast, but I feel like that was probably expected, so I wanted to do this a little unexpected. But I really like the way this turned out. I'm gonna add the finishing touches off camera, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 1. I love the way this turned out, and it was just so easy to create. I am wearing an Essence black eyeliner in the top lash line, Exaggerize mascara from Charlotte Tilbury, and in my lower waterline, I'm wearing this NYX Epic Wear liner in the shade Rebel Red. So love that. It's a cute palette. It's easy to work with. It's 9 pans. I think it's doing a great job. I won't be doing a wear test today because I have quite a bit of things to do after work, but I will do a wear test in the second look, which you guys are going to see now. All right, guys, so let's start working on the second look with the Ranger palette. I am wearing all black to work today, so anything goes, and I think I'm going to be using these 3 matte shades. That way I'll have used all the matte shades in the palette. I really want to play with this shade right here, and then we'll have to see. I know I used this shade yesterday, and not quite sure that I'm going to be able to use these. I'll have to play with it, but let me start here with this shade. This shade is called Explore, and I'm taking Explore on a Rephr 02, and I used a shade similar to this last week. What palette was I using? I think it was the Gourmand Girls palette, or no, it was the Beauty Bay palette, and kind of similar, but I'm going to drag this down as well. And I'm going to take it all the way through, just kind of stamping it on the brow bone. Now in a Rephr 14, I'm taking the shade Hunter. And we'll focus that out here. And also in the crease. Ooh, that's a good shade. We're getting a very nice blend from the shadow. I mean, it's just effortless, really. Just adding back a little more of the first shade right in here. Okay, now let me clean off this brush, and I just want to take a little bit, and again, the markings, the word, it's rubbed off. So I'm going to use this shade with my Rephr 14, just right out here in the outer corner, a little bit into the crease, just to darken that up. This shade, the one I'm applying, the dark shade, it would be really nice packed all over the lid, and then that green, dark green shimmer on top of it. I think that would look really cool. I'm just going to take my little powder puff, no powder on it except what was left over, and just kind of clean up under there. Okay, now I'm going to be applying this shade Wilderness all over. Well, see, now I don't know, because I love the way it looks like this, like a matte look. But, I'm wondering if maybe I can do that shade on the lower lash line. And then, I don't know. That was my plan. Let me see if I was to just pick it up with my finger and tap it out here. Oh, that looks cool. Okay. Now, normally I would have put down a shimmer primer, but I just kind of wanted to see what it was going to look like. Yeah, that stuck on real well without even having to spray it or use any type of primer. Now I might as well just keep going with my finger. I'm going to try this one. I don't think I used it yesterday. I kind of want to let that light green show, so I'm not going all the way into the inner corner. Okay. Now I'll definitely have to clean up the edges of the shimmer, but that's no big deal. I'm just taking the Rephr 14 with no additional product, just right in here, so we can make sure that everything is blended. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think I am gonna go into, I'm gonna use this shade over here. I'm just taking it on my What's Up Beauty brush. This is the R107. And you'll see that I'm stopping right there where I have the matte light green. All right, guys, I am gonna pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look number 2. Same everything from yesterday with the exception of the lower waterline, a really old Urban Decay eyeliner. This one is in the shade Freak. Not too sure if Freak is still around, but I'm sure you can find something similar at ColourPop or NYX, but this is the look that I will be wearing today. I did do this little lip combo right here from NYX. This is their Duck Plump line. I did the lip liner in the shade Nude Flip, and then the plumping glossy lipstick. This one is in the shade Brown of Applause. I thought that would fit in perfectly with the look, with what's going on under the eye area. I will be back at the end of the day and I will give you guys my final thoughts on this Ranger collection from Fantasy Cosmetica, and you'll also get to see how the eyeshadows held up. I will say that in look 1, even though I didn't film it, perfect. It was perfect at the end of my day, but stay tuned and you'll get to see what this looks like in 10 hours. Hey guys, so this is what the Fantasy Cosmetica eyeshadow look is looking like 10 hours later, both days, yesterday and today. Both of the looks, they held up so well. I've gotten so many compliments. The shadows are vibrant. They did not fade. They stayed put. I didn't get any fallout or anything. I think Fantasy Cosmetica has a really nice formula. I love their packaging. They just keep things small and concise, and it's a really nice collection. The Ranger collection, it is launching very soon. I'll put the date down here. My affiliate code Steff will save you 10% off. There is nail polishes, perfume, and of course the eyeshadow palette available in this collection. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. Love it. Thank you so much, Fantasy Cosmetica, Jordan, the owner, for sending me this in PR. I truly appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think. Is the Ranger collection from Fantasy going to be in your stash soon? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.